little bro. Got a lot done the other day. Y'all seen the video of us cleaning it out and everything. We got a lot more done than just clean it out. I mean, a lot. So, let's take the cover back off real quick. Trying to get everything completely cleaned out from out here so we can get all this stuff out of the yard. See, this ain't my property. I work out here at my mom's property. Can't work on mine. You know? Where we live, it ain't that deep like that when I can be out here working on it shit all day. Getting that hood lined up was a fucking pain. But we do got the motor in. So now we just finna clean everything up and make it look all pretty. And put everything together. Let's get it. A couple of days, I stopped working on the car for a minute. Got caught up with working everything at my job. We got just about everything just about done. I still been working on it here and there. I really ain't been doing a lot of recording. Motor in, still got to clean everything up, make it look all nice and pretty. Got everything hooked up, even the old AC. I should have painted that shit, but I can always take that back off. Ain't no Freon or nothing in it, so it ain't like gonna lose no money. I'm gonna probably have to get another radiator. I tried my best to repair this one. It was working. Well, I don't even know if the bitch was working, but it wasn't leaking or nothing in it. It still had fluid in it for over the years, but it's just old. I want to replace that. I'm finna go and try to grab a distributor from around here. I got the headers on, got the spark plugs in. I cleaned the carburetor. Don't know if it works or not. It's not mine. I'm just using one of my buddies. I can keep going now. The only thing I really do here is basically go and get this. Sorry about that. The only thing I really gotta do right now is basically go get this thermostat net for the water house and the water housing net from off the old motor, because they had this hose on here, and you got a sensor there, coolant temp sensor there, temperature sensor there. So I'm gonna have to remove that and block that off because I won't be using that. There's no point in me using it when the thermostat house has one on the link. So with that being said, I'm gonna use the one from the thermostat house. Otherwise, exhaust is right here. I took the exhaust completely off. So transmission is bolted. Everything bolted. Everything pretty much bolted up. Transmission, flywheel, torque converter, yada yada yada, you name it, cross member, rear end, the U-bolts and all that bolted up. Everything bolted up completely. Start on. Everything on. I could actually turn it over. I changed the fuel filters on the. It was one on the side here. I changed that one, and I also bought a new one to go up here. So right now I'm gonna go grab a fuel pump gasket and slap that on. Hopefully I can go and get it bust off. If I can't get it bust off in this video, I get it bust off in the next. And I'm finna run around here and get my distributor from my cousin house real quick, because I had a new distributor that he reminded me. And I'm finna get some used spark plug wires from him real quick, so we can at least see if this bitch gonna run. So let's get week. It's been a long week. As you can see, the car ain't for dying now. Yep, I got it from that there for right now. I gotta get the mufflers bolted up. I'll put them back up. I got the motor just in here, use some old spark plugs and stuff, because as you can see, it look like it want to storm. So I got it from down the hill where I know where to get stuck at. I gotta clean up all these wires, so don't pay no attention. Carburetor, it works, but it don't work. Still gotta hook the radiator up. Carburetor still dumping gas when I turn it off. It got a lot of problems. The item mixture screws don't work. All kinds of shit going on. Need valve cover gaskets on leaking oil pretty bad, so I'm gonna pick them up tomorrow. Clean up all the wiring. Gotta run that back to the transmission. That's for the transmission module thingamajig. As you can see, I bought the radiator hoses over there. It's basically just fine tuning right now, but she does start. She will move. I got the mufflers hooked up. I mean, it's nothing radical. Excuse the carburetor. Carburetor, a piece of shit. But as you can see, it runs. Still gotta adjust the timing. But the carburetor's so fucked up, man. But hit gas. So still got a lot of shit to adjust on it. But you see, when I cut her off, she fire right back up. So my timing not too far off, but it's off. Old Monte Carlo coming. Old Monte Carlo coming on together, y'all. As y'all can see, the muffler just hanging. So just give her a little while. We're gonna go and get this thing on together. Alright, I'm out of here, man. Let's get it.
I'm just sitting here thinking, focus on myself, killing love, I done showed what got played to the left. I'm deserted in this world, I'm the only me left, and I'm trying to be cool. Young girl about to lose it. The path of righteousness is often hard for me to choose it. So thankful for the talent to provide this girl the music. A lot of love, a lot of haters, shit is so confusing. Can't win for the losing, can't love for the hurt. I wanna do away with the pain and put my face on the shirt. Not understanding my existence on earth, cause since the day of my birth, I swear to Jesus, shit has only been worse. I'm simply living through the roots of a curse.